Hello everyone. In this video we will see file reading into a string. So basically we want to read all the lines available in file as a string. So for that what we will do, we'll create here a string data equal to new string, and inside this we will pass files dot read all bytes. So we will use read all bytes, and inside this we have to pass the paths dot get, and then we can pass the path, this path that we have already created here. So this way you can read all data in a string, and then if you will just print it, you will see our content from the files. You can see, so this is basically reading all data in one go and printing it here. Sometimes we need to get all the data in form of a string, and then we wanted to process, or you want to send to this send to another method or all. So this way you can do that. Thank you so much for watching the video.